Aramdara Moko Spambira, Aramdara, you're not good. Aramdara, they were not good. Ukaona muna noti daddy's girl. Zvana daddy's girl zvazvizvi zvishoma mazuva aya. Vana mudhara they were not good. Vana mudhara vakuita daddy's girl zvandaita nemwana wangu. Oh my daughter, my daughter. No. Mazuva aya even daddy's girl wachona. Vana dad anenge vana daddy vaikura vachityiwa. Kuzvana mudhara. Mudhara is king lion. Wanga usinganyatso kuziya kuti should we be happy or should we be quiet? So you'd always safer if you go quiet. If it's guys second, yes, vananga muri right. Dzaingo karaka dzango chinja. Vana mudhara vava very volatile. You would never be securely happy. Vana mudhara varipo. Because nyaya ingogona chinja anytime. They were very unpredictable. Happiness taitoita tina nahomes. Because mudhara igona kuvhunza kuti wakapasa here. Yatanga mubvunza unowana ndiri calm sei wakapasa here. Izvi zvaigona kungozopedzera edu vana mambama pamberi. The way unoansa kuramba unyerere kwairovesa ukataura futi wairohwa. Ende mai vanenge vasingakutauri anything. So dzimwe dzenguva mai kana vakaona zvati vana ava vakundidherera. Vaigona kutudza masikati mwana makundidherera inini. Ndichaudza baba venyu. Okay. Then vorega kubudza baba amende vanenge vafarira chi pamwe vakivigirwa something new kana chi zvinyarara. Isusu vemusikanzwa izvi zvasingaiti even kuchikoro kuti pazuva ndofunga ndaita musikanzwa more than 20 times. Isusu vamwe ndaingori tangosvika tingo even ndiri normal ndaingoti musikanzwa. Zvezvo ndezvo zvazvingori illegal izvi zvichibvumigwa zvezvadova illegal zvaitwa nini. Saka waingogara on the other side remutemo. Zvazvokuti my dad vakatoita vana 4 girls vachitry kuti vaone mwana mukomana but he had lost faith in me. Ndaivanzwa sometimes vachitove trouble but ndasingafoiri manje. Ndasingafoiri chikoro no but ndasingadi kupasa zvinhu zvinoshamisira. I would be happy kuita number 21. Kuna mwana 50 back behind me. Inini kwandiri ndagona. And then zvokuti ndinokosaita number 2 ndaizviziva but I didn't care. Ende vakandimanikidza kurava mabhuku zvezvimwe nguva ndandane skiri rangu rekulaita light ndoisa bhuku rakadai ndodai maziso so zviya zvokuti kana vakadongorana pahwindo zvesho vanofunga ndikuverenga ndendakarara ndandane imwe skiri yokurara ndakasvinura. Iyo skiri yaishanda muchechi as well. Muchechi ndo chechi dzokumusha dzatete vantoenda kuchechi Sunday yaingonakidza first 2 songs chechi yekumusha. Pangotanga zvokudonhedzwa madhimoni nemharidzo chechi yekumusha yaingonakidza the first 2 songs. If you miss the first 2 songs vafundisi vakazongoyaka haleluya. Ende chechi yakudhara yaivhundutsira. Vaiparidza gehena senge riri komangwanana 2. Gehena rakudhara raiparidzwa unozva kuti mazuva edu ma80s uko. Gehena raiparidzwa senge riri kuitika mangwana masikati. Saka nyangone usingadi kutendeuka waitendeuka not because unoda Mwari but because you feared for your life. Vaiti vakaparidza kuti madhimoni abuda munguruve. Nguruve dzese wanga usingadzidzi. Wanga usafoka zvanguruve futi. Kuna vamwe vakatozotanga kuti ndapoko iko zvino. Maridzo dzakudhara vaiti vakaparidza maridzo dzegehena. Huni dzacho dzaunenge uchiimagina nefoku yaSatani unozva unenge uchiimagina foku. Apa zvimabhukuwo zvewachitawa zvaiuyawo zvakadai nenyoka dziri mudumbu romunhu asinganamati nyoka dzakadzara mudumbu. Mwari anoda vanhu chibhuku chiya chanzi Mwari vanoda vanhu. Zvibhuku zviya vakomana. Zvibhuku zviya chibhuku chachine vanhu vakawanda papeji rokutanga ndaitira vanhu vakawanda atema. Mwari anoda vanhu zvimabhuku zviya. Ende vakomanje nochirongota Mwari anoda vanhu vese ava. Ende Mwari anotokuona pese paunoita. Ndazvizvo tikarova dzvenyo rikafa zvivi izvozvo zvaikutevera ukazogomboka uchienda kumba kuti Jehovha vatsiva kuuraya dzvenyo kwandaita kwekwe ndazogomboka. Unozva mhari dzokudhara. That's why vachizoona kuti vanhu vazhinji havachadi kuona chechi. Ukamanikidza vana, let me tell you parents, ukamanikidza vana vako church right now in a manner like our parents did. Korera vanoyambuka kuenda mhiri vakaona mukova wechechi vanotiza. Hakuna munhu akakura ari muuk muzimbabwe asinombopfuura nekuchechi. We're talking of even kukwira ndege vachiva kuuk vaina matiriko haleluya rava chiki 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 vana apinde muzita ramambo Jesu tonamata. But that's the end of it. So this is what I've done to my kids. I will advise you. Urega kumanikidza vana kuenda kuchechi usingavatsananguriri zvakanakira chechi. Usafa kuita mistake yekuti chechi iri perfect. Zvese zvinoitika muchechi zviri holy. Vaudze kuti muchechi munoitika zvinhu zvisiri holy. Because ndimi munozoita generation yevana yamuri kuzvara vanoabusiwa muchechi vasingatomuziti it's abuse. Because vangoudza kuti the man is all touchy, not the anointed one. No. Vanongoudza pastor or no pastor, apa pabati uko akubati nyangwe baba wako akubati mai vako chava akubati mwana ngazvizive. Mazuva taikura muchechi isusu pastor nyangwe akawetera pai handisi kuti vaiweta, but I'm telling you this, mapastor vaitori madeputy mwari. Honestly, the way my pastor I respect you, so if they decided to do something bad, they would even get away with it. Kuti marriage yachona iti kaparidziwa so vakabata marriage yekuti wakakakavadza muranda waMwari nobva adliwa nemapere zvesho kana uchibuda uchienda kumusango ukaona chinhu chakaita sebere kana kungoimagina bere watoona kuti my God. So vafundisi, there's nothing wrong with that, but a lot of people vakanamata because of fear. I remember 2000 ndirakuda kutanga gore ra 1999 vamwe vakatengesa dzimba kukanzi nyika iri kuguma. Nyika iri kuguma, vafundisi vachitaura kuti nyika iri kuguma. Vanhu vakatengesa matv, vanhu vakarasha matv vamwe because hakuna aida kutenga kanyika iri kuguma uchagwedi guys bye tikaonekewa tikadi vanhu vachionekana nyika ichinzi inoguma 2000. Yewe. So ndo mukura kwatachita. So ndachingoti remember your parents guys. Let's just do something for our parents, especially vana mai. Because vana mai dzimwe nguva so vaiviga vaigunoviga chimwe chinhu mubhura chaimo chunguzomuka chakumba. Kune vamwe taiona vaitambura so vana mai vaitambura pamusi weparents day vanenge vachigova zvingwa kuya. Amen. Gara takazobvumirana here naye vanhukadzi vekuzimbabwe kuti bra inochengeta mari, because mubra maiswa mari chikwama chaikwana mheno zvezvo zvakaita chaikwana imomo. Ndakamboitawo mukadzi ndikadana nemukadzi ndikambotsvaka muzamu kuti chikwama chaenda musikana wako kana musikana wako chikwama chaikwana papi chikwama zvaikwana boza namumhomzi vaigona chikwama mheno zvachaita chikauya ipapo pamheno kwachaienda chikwama ichocho amheno kwachaipinda iwowo chikwama. Ene kana voda kutenga vaingodai ruoko ndikona mabhendi rakaita ruoko rwangu chaibuda chikwama. Skiri idzodzo iskiri dzokuti we can no longer pass kune mamwe magenerations totoluza culture. Iculture yokuisa mari mubra haisi developing, kutoluza. Zvafanira kunanzva chivharo cheyogati. Chivharo cheyogati taitine staira yedu yekuvhura chivharo cheyogati. Unozati taikurefa taiti zvakanaka like chosiya chakadai. Zvoti tatine staira yekuti nemananzviro achona waitonanzva chivharo cheyogati zvine skiri zvokusachekwa rurimi because chiri shapka wainanzva pasenda pane yogati. Hakuna yogati yaisarira, hakuna zvimvaro zveyogati zvaisara. Taikokota yogati chero masvosva aisara ashayawo chekudya. Gaba rejemu roriera kumakona taikokota tisingachekwi futi kokota gaba rejemu. So all these things guys, zvimwe zvokuti guys kana une vabereki vachiri vapenyu, do something for them because they went through a lot. Yes, havaikanganisa zvakwanda handisi kuti vavari pepe handojena vabereki vedu ndovaikonawo maiwe vabereki vedu kana ndakambokudza kuti zvaiti vaigona ngokuvhiringira zvinhu pazere vanhu. So mazuva edu ataikura isusu taigona kuita misangano yechechi. I'm telling you this, sangano yechechi paigona kuya vasikana vakanaka vekune dzimwe chechi inenge iri big conference. Vabereki vedu vaita senge vane degree rekushotesa vana vavo. Pakazara vanhu ipapo vaigona kungodedza meya pano panenge pakazara vasikari ungopfenyekwa bhuruguru richipfenyekwa. Unozaka kana usina kupfenyera hembe zvezviya vana baba vana mai vasingakendeki vaingomupfenyera hembe kupfenyera pazere vasikani ende unga usina choice. Kuembara zvavasingambononoki kubhabha shop vakangosvika vana mudhara bvisai rose dasi iyo food yacho vakada zvavo pangori ne2 take it or leave it. Ende kana waita leave it waipuwa warning. Handini munhu anozochema na 2 am achindimutsa. So kanzi namama ilaisadza iri wakati handidi lacto ndandakaivenga ndoda zvine munyu anything chine munyu lacto no. But vaiti kana mumzi vangu vazviziva thank God mai vangu vazopedza vangoita kamboora vaingoisa kamboora pasaidi vanodla lacto hanzvadzi dzangu dzaida lacto kuvata ndisina kuseva nemunyu wopedza singauyi zvino ndidle matemba kuvata ndisina kudla zvine munyu zvasingaiti. So it was a take it or leave it. Kana mumzi vangopakura kana vangopakura so mukutambura imo mainosona zvishoma moms vaperegwa vanenge vaperegwa namoms and not because they didn't have money. Unoti inini moms vangu vaishandei moms vangu vaigona kuunganidza mari yavo zvakanaka nga vachiseva dzimwe nguva itonokwereta. Mudhara anongouya nemotikari yake ichiti motikari yamudhara ikangokosora iyo $50 yamumoms yeye kana dzimwe nguva moms vaitozoviga imwe mari because mudhara ingoitora vanogadzisa mota. Pamunotambira moms vanotambira dzimwe nguva vana moms kana moms vaitambira end of the month. Maticha ndo aitambira musi wa15 civil servants vana mudhara vave vadhumeni I think vaitambira end of the month kuna na 25 koko depend kuti weekend iri papi. So sometimes vematicha aitambira pakati pemwedzi kwakutoti pakati pemwedzi maticha atambira chichichi ndo painokweretewa mari koko. Iwo maticha aitozati kana akakwereta mari panonokora vana mudhara 10 days later or 15 days later vanenge vatobhengerwa mari. So ingodero chingodero but iyo mari iyo mudhara kana motikari yake yakafa baje mudhara motikari yake yakafa mudhara dzimwe nguva I remember one of the worst nightmares I hate can tienda kushopper for Christmas grocery and then mudhara anobva ngodi motikari amene zvakaita nini zvemotikari kabareta yadini so tatina $300 takanyora vana salad chichichi hanzvadzi yangu yakanyora mascones chikamheno zvaida kuzonokanga kumusha ikoko I don't know haina zvinzvimbo zvobera. We thought it was a joke grocery shopping yeChristmas ndara chichungotenga ichingwa nemajarini chete. We couldn't believe it. And what happened that mudhara makapasa chikoro remi mudhara aiziva kuti nyara dzamadhara vaiziva kuti nyara dzako ukada kungoti murudza musoro dzimwe waingokuonera excuse hamufuti hamugone chikoro kaimanaimo nokana iyo ndo subject. Listen, kana uchida kuti holiday inzi yanakidza holiday yainakidza holiday yainakidza kana tisina kubvunzwa zvakaitika kuchikoro. Temu raunenge wakapasavo ndo raunenge uchida kuti ivabvunze nezvechikoro but usually zvasingati ndipase ese musubject. So kumetsi ndiye ndakafoira samudhara aigona kuti metsi chete mudhara maigona metsi renu hapana izvipo vadhara vanga vasingabvunzweka. So subject yaivengwa nemwana wese kana muri panapa vachazwa chale subject yamainyanya kuvenga chaichayo huru yai subject yechikoro kana ari maholiday. Handisi yangu vaita manumber 1 because ndina mwana wanifollow vaita manumber 1 vana Abel Mashamba Abel Manyowa wataidza naona na dada high school yadzanzirisha vaita manumber 1 ivo. Ndikutaura isusu tatiri maaverage vokuti 70% dzimwe nguva kushona ndaiwana 80%. Ndaidonzwa kudo kuti I've overachieved. Ndaida kuti maybe Shona dendawana ndechidonzwa I've punched above my waist. I've punched ndarova kusiriko. Kana kumetsi ndikaona 55 ndaitozwa senge nameno zvandaitwa because metsi mahyu yanga iri normal. I'll tell you the reason. Not because we're bad in maths. The teachers were actually terrible. Another teacher we met in they were good. There's a deep listen. You can be good in something, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you're a good teacher. Chandakadzisema kuti vanhu kuZimbabwe maths vaigona. Maticha mazhinji maths aigona. Ukavapa exam, but kuticha munhu is a different thing. Kuziva about life togona kuziya, but kuzoita live uchidzidzisa vanhu nezvemalife, it's the different thing. Kune vamwe vanhu vane good life inofamba musha zvakanaka. Uchinazoti I admire that guy's life. But iye munhu akavhura cheche haagoni kupasa information yegood life here to other people. Ndozvo zvakaita maticha emaths mazhinji. Ka 7 into what? Ka 7 into what? Ka. The answer is 2. X is equal to 2. Next, go to rubber board. If people just want that teacher, what this guy is doing is just confirming. Never one student, maybe 5 are in class, we're not gonna maths. Sometimes I should ka and then I got to everyone chibachi chake chine event. It was running in there and there. Sabano X is equal to 1. Apana sete tambonzo. And the maths that 2 periods. Porira rimwe bhera rokutangarira. Teizomwe out went to tea. Because maths dzimwe dzaitwa 2 hours before tea. Before lunch. So in the dzimwe period yacho in the afternoon. Kuchipisa Zimbabwe mozati inopisa. So maths apana munhu maths dzaida early in the morning. If I were the curriculum, vana mutumbuka vanhu ndo yava vana maths dzaifanirwa kuitwa in the morning. Uchimuka uchiri fresh wotanga nemaths. But dzimwe nguva maths dzazouya yawning. Yawning. Maths hadzidi izvozvo but saka exam yacho yaiuya yakanzi 60 minutes, 1 hour. Apa maths dzacho dziri 30. Which means per maths one waifanirwa kuita less than 2 minutes. Dzimwe dzacho vangodo zvino isusu vamwe manje tiri maslowly pamwe dzimwe nguva idori dyslexic kumaths zvazvokuti ungada uchipiwa more time. Zvinoitwa kuuk kuti vakaona mwana wako ari slow vanomupa more time. kuZimbabwe zvazike dofo dyslexia dyslexia nasina vengonzi 5 minutes wechivhunduka 15 minutes to go please kana une lucky. Right, everybody stand up. Mabench actually no example. Education system yekumusha vakaridza vanhu very intelligent, but we don't have that skill yekuteacha zvokuti even muhurumende chamuchaimo you can have good leaders, right? I'm not disputing that. Unogona kuita kuva nemagood leaders, but kuti chitungamira just because unokwanisa kuleader it doesn't mean that you're a good leader. Unokwanisa kutungamirira vanhu. It's very very difficult. Nyika yedu chacha kuti idevelop ite nyika. Unogona kuti munhu uyo anogona kufudza mombe munhu. Unogona kugona kufudza mombe. Kufudza ndoda kupa example ndishoda kuti zvinhu zvepolitiki ndoda kuti unozwa kufudza mombe zvakaita. Kune vanhu vaigona kufudza mombe. Tese taigona kufudza mombe, but kune vanhu vaigona kufudza mombe. Sevabereki vavo. Isusu kufudza mombe kwangu inene fidzo. Kwaive kokuti mombe dzisadla mumunda mevanhu, that's it. Zvokuti mombe dzaguta we didn't care. Do you know kuti inini ndaigadzira rimwe danga musango kupfigira mombe musango kuti dzisabuda dziri kunetsa mubetse. Takapatwa namudhara tagadzira rimwe danga musango. Vaka chimwe chirugu musango. I'm telling you this. This is not good leadership. Because we were not good headmen. Vanhu sambudzi dzekwedu dzaihonda. Mbudzi dzekwedu dzaihonda. Mbudzi dzamwana dziri kuguta mani. Ko dzenyu dziri kuonda ne. Izvo dziri kuswera dzakapfigira taidzipfigira. Vana fidzo. Taigadzira chimwe chirugu musango totodzipfigira. kana dzala kuti netsa. So a good headman munhu aiziya kune huswa huri green. Kune vamwe vana vaifudza mombe vaenda kwakusingaendi dzedu mombe senda sometimes tichitya because we're young. Tochika kuenda kune makudo taichika gudo. So uchika gudo kuvafudzi gudo raiva rotora zvimbudzanaka. Saka zvimbudzanaka taisiya kumba. So dzimwe nguva mbudzi dzatete takafudza dzaiti nzvenga tabatwa nehope. Dzouye dzichivinga zvimbudzana kumba uko. Wotopepuka kumbudzi dzendikuonza aona varidzi vemunda vakabata shamu nembudzi dzako. Waitanga ona mbudzi dzako dzichidzoka. Ukaona mbudzi dzako dzafesa kwauri ukarasa mbudzi kumunda kumombe ukati uchinodzitsvaka taitarisa padzafamba utarisa tsoka dzaenda dzakadai womanya utarisa tsoka unenge wadwa neidea kuti kumunda kwevanhu. Saka varidzi vemunda manje vaigona kuzouya neshamu yakareba so mbudzi dzako dziri pamberi. So iwe ukaona mbudzi dzimwe dzine mabhera saka waitanga kunzwa mabhera dzinenge dzichiri kuenda uko. But ukanzwa mabhera acho achiita towards woziva kuti wotomira pakakona wakanyangira. Usually waibona munhu ari kudzitinha akabata shamu ndo paidaskirirana fidzo kuti aigona kungohwanda so kuseri kwezidombo iye achidai odarika nembudzi dzake oenda neshure manje dai uone kutsvaka mbudzi dzanga dzalambda panoda kuti techizati haangaramba ari ipapo in case mbudziwo dzevamwe futi dzinondla munda kwayo saka aizokurumidza kudzokera kupi otitsvaka kuti shauti atirovo tishauta tetakahwanda chimuona. Kana woenda ukumba ungoenda uchimbonyengera nedzungono anokumba wadorevegwa urohwa futi. So it's life takuza. What I'm trying to say is what unogona kuwana a good leader but asiri good. Kurana nyika nemunhu anogona kuleader but asingalead the right way. Zvandaita kuti isusu taifudza mbudzi vaidonzi fidzo anogona kufudza mbudzi but mbudzi dzedu dzisingaguti. No. So unogona kuwana a good leader wokuti nyika idheregwe kana ari leader. Nyika idheregwe varungu vakauya novachallenja ivi varungu moda kutijairira leave my Zimbabwe alone. He's a good leader but vanhu haguti unonzwa leader yekuti leader ari good kuprotecta zvimwe zvese zveviolence. Hakuna munhu anouya achikurovai munyika menyu and hakuna munhu anouya achikushaudha munyika menyu. Moti muna good leader. As a good leader but hamuguti. Zvamwe musingaguti though. So mbudzi dzedu dzainonoka kuvhurirwa tainonoka kudzivhurira. Dzevamwe dzaivhurwa ma8 am dzedu dzimwe dzaigona kuvhurwa na12 dzemascati for the reasons kuti maybe ndoda kumbogara nana mama kutokanganwa kugara kune mbudzi dzoda kuvhurwa. Imi mbudzi dziri mudanga kaini todzivhurira dzezadoita half day fasting. Ndo padzaizokara dzomanya dzichidla muchero dzomanya muchero dzomanya run against them dzidzoka mbudzi dzacho dzaive nema. So ndo zvakaita leadership. Dzimwe dzenguva unenge uri baba vemushandisi zvaita vana baba vedu they were good in a way kuti we lacked well nothing but the conditions we were living were not conducive, they were not good. So vana baba vedu vaitipa food vaitipa zvese but takafanira nembudzi dzanhamboreva dzenza zvokuti kune vamwe vana vehurudza vainyatsoziva kuti mbudzi dzoda kufamba dzakadai kune michero yekuti pfumbudza ichangoti toenda takadai tichidzitina dzodai dzonza dzichiguta leave them. Pane pamwe paiti kana uswa hwakaita nyaya kuti green isengotina nepapo tiri kutina futi mbudzi dzichingodarika dzidarika. Ivo vaigona kufudza mbudzi vaidzirega zvodya. Dzimwe nguva yaona mbudzi dzavo dzakarara so mbudzi dzenyu dzinorara dzedu dzinongomanya nesango sei and they never told us. So ndo zvimwe zvinoitika as a parent unogona kunge uri good parent but vanhu vazhinji havazoti good better na best. Vanhu vazhinji havazoti better na best vari better than good. Vanhu vanongati good ndo best. Kuchikoro ende afanira kunzi good zvokuti ticha akati best ka ndo chicho. We are so used to good things, such an extent that we think good things are the best. No, there's good, better, best. Good things are not the best. So a leader, we know he is a very good leader, he's a good leader, but he's not the best for the country. He might not be the best for the country. Or he might be better, but he's gonna good, better, best. Though come from what's that English, and the good, better, best, good, but are better than Smith. But he's not the best. So no one want to lead the are better than Mugabe. Better than Mugabe. So Mugabe was good. Mugabe was good. But this leader is better than Mugabe. But he's not the best. But we get satisfied in a good. So in Zaka Blaz, Mukazakati, you're good in bed. Yes, more good in bed. But you're not the best. And you may not be better than the last person she had, because kuna better na best. Up and down, they wisdom, man. Enjoying blast. Because you are good in bed. As you wrote, you are the best. And as you wrote, you are better than the. Kuna good, but why the good, that good as the I or kuna good, better, best. So bad, better, best. Teacher, but pana good. Good way, that's why I got the English right now. So the good and good, better, best. So if you're picking somebody to a partner, you're not gonna pick a good wife. But you might be a good wife, but it's not best. He's better, but you might find a better wife. And look at I'm something better. And I've got good. No, good akakundona better. But we are so used to good. Why do you guys so good? Guys so Shona here. Teacher at the good. Maybe then so good in the corner score. But no mama teacher did the best. 10 out of 10 best. Could you read best student? So why is it very good best? Very good. Why is the best in circle? Because why is what guys the best you get as a good can. Do mentality at Jesus. Even you can deal juicy. Pounded juicy Coca-Cola and you to my chair and upper side. Coca-Cola I deal like a to my chair and upper side, do not I less. No. Coca-Cola is not good deal. I should do what did I soft you know, up Coca-Cola. I'm not like so panu disafuro half. In bottle Coca-Cola right now. Uno did a Coca-Cola glass. We did a jazz. Put it on. No one from putting the Coca-Cola. Can I get half? Just get a life. Sometimes Coca-Cola we did as slowly, but not gonna some person who did a you did a she so. She did a she removed that she did a down. You know, Zarapushka Coca-Cola. But I did us with the you know, Zara for Guerra Pasapa. Who go on up Coca-Cola. This is Shona an intelligence. So what I'm telling you is you may have a good leader who is not necessarily better than the previous one, and who is not necessarily the best. So he needs to be good, but so you may have a good lover, and you'll be happy with good lover. He's a good lover, but he is not better than what you used to have, or he is not better than what you can achieve. So better you can do better, sir. You can do better. Domoda is good. It's good for me. Yes, you can do better. Better is better than good. You can do better. No. It's good. It's so good. That's why I was excellent. We're not good, excellent. Good na excellent. We're not the kind of excellent. Other good, better na best, and excellent. Do I do the distinction? In so do you know someone gets 9 A's? I think I can pass 9 A's. But because on the animal distinction, of distinction, we put out what are grade A, wrote 70%. But you all 98. vamwana ne 9 A's, do you know vaiwana 74, 71, 72? Because A inotangira pa 70 in other grades. And vamwana munoona nema-A ava, munoona ma-A vesa, munoona nema-A vesa. That's so, you know, sometimes vamwana nema-A vaiva nemazi A. In real life, they don't achieve much. Check out vaita ma-A and this love insult man. When vaita mas A kuma boarding school A, they still have that prestige of A. But sometimes because I tell some life, plus imerwa ma-A. Kwemi vanhu vaita Pythagoras theorem muchita singe ndeyasekuru venyu ko imbotoradzika mulife menyu kuti muri kupythagoraiza chii chacho nogona kuona kuti vana zvakutopythagoraiza zvine musoro zvakutombopythagoraiza pythagoraiza hapana zvarumbopythagoraizana in real life. So if you're looking for something that is good, I'm happy for you, but the problem begins when you begin to think that good is best. Good is not best. Good will never be best. That thing, you may find a good job, but is it the best job you can have? So you are happy that you found a good job. Oh, he has a good job. A good job. My wife has got a good job. And you think you raise, oh, I've got a very good car. Then Ginimbo were the best car in the world in terms of speed. Ferrari. You would Ginimbo Haromba. I don't, because you won't to read best. Good, I figure the best. You're not gonna forget good. Listen, and this could show I'm good. Listen, I'm not, and this could show I'm an A. Dirikushora munanotika nawa na A yofunga ndo distinction. No, A is a distinction. Don't have any problem. I'm very nicely dressed. Yes, you're nicely dressed. Thank you. But you're not the best dressed chicken in town. Kuneva not the best dressed. No, one of them is the best dressed. Best crowd. Anakirwa. But Anakirwa, yes. Sugar no naka. Sugar no naka wine nanza. No the sugar. Ugadao. Naka sugar. But inonyanyo naka wine some room ugadao. Okay, meza. Listen guys. It's very complicated. I'm using this. So that na name Soropam. Kunakizo ne sugar. Sugar no naka. Hey, sugar up. I don't know. Can I get a gavakava baka? I don't need to swallow gavakava. Dodo, they are dying. No baba. But I've not swallowed it. So have you ever tested sugar? Oh yeah. Sugar is sweet. No, you've tested, but have you ever swallowed it? Have you ever swallowed honey? So some of you guys, right? Mapinda muharare handiti, but I'm now pinda muri muharare. Zvekuti mukanzi vanhu vafira muharare mafira vanhu, but muchiri kuno kuna na Sheraton. Hamuna kupinda muCBD chapter musati masvika kuna na Broadway. So muri so vanhu vakapinda Harare simudzai ngoma. Vanhu vari kuZimbabwe vakaenda kuZimbabwe simudzai ngoma. Yeah. But makagumira kupi paMutare. And it's in Zimbabwe. Ukadonzi munhu wese akaenda Zimbabwe ngaaburawo unotoburawo. But haukwanise kunonyora exam yezveZimbabwe kana wangosvika paMutare chete. Unofanirwa kutosvika kwese munasvingo kunana Great Zimbabwe kunana Chinhoikezwe ndokuti apinda muZimbabwe akazopinda Zimbabwe. So what am I saying? Those are my tips. Good, better, best. And then look, this is all Africans, like almost Africans. Good, better, better. You see, good. We always make good longer. You see this thing. Some men don't have this longest. You know, if the middle one is longer like this, you know, there was something. Not all men have got this the middle one longer. But many people think good, better, best. No, it should be like this. Good, better, best. Chirefish no best. Some people think good, better, best. So based on what it's going down. No, it's actually the other way. Good, better, best. So If you have parents now, you're lucky they're still alive. It's never too late, even whether your mom is now blind, or just go sit down with her and remind her these stories that I was talking to you when I started that, I was talking to you about these stories. Now they won't get angry, they will laugh about it. But get there, sit down with your mom, tell her how that made you feel. But mama, and like my mom was no mom get us my friends made again. You can't tell me to go and down pick a boot and I go there looking for my shoes. I try to polish them. When I come back, mom is gone. Where's mommy? Mama didn't take a boot. It was a way of kutitiza. They want to leave us, and they also should actually tell you to go and find your shoes down there. Or sometimes they would even hide your shoes. But then just walk me, mama. And you're talking to yourself, mom is already gone, she's gone to work. And sometimes we would cry, and then remember, oh, she's coming back in the evening. Imagine if your mom did that, and then she went and died in an accident. Can you imagine the trauma that these mothers were giving to us? There are some women like that who said, bye, and they never really went to the kids and said, bye, I love you, I love you. These some of these small things that we do. These small things. When you like right now, we're doing the same mistakes. Right now, you're not sitting down with your mom, isn't it? She's still alive, isn't it? But she's very old now, isn't it? But you're not sitting down with her. You're like, mama. We are revenging without knowing. Our mothers used to lie to us. If you ever know that our mummies were very good liars, they would say, and Mangwana actually never arrived. Do you remember that? Ah, mom said, my mom did think of watching a light. You know, those watch 7-bit alarm. The 7-bit alarm watch. It was like a mobile phone. I remember when I asked my mom, I want you to buy me 7 melody watch, please. 7 melody watch, and my digital 7 melody watch. And you press it, then you press the other melody. You press it again, you press another melody. You press it when it's 7 o'clock. It rings. And you're like, wow, it was a mobile phone. That time when we were growing up. But sometimes your mom would tell you, your mom would know that she's not buying you that watch. You know? I used to love caps, and mom, when did you get over capes? I loved capes when I was young. Cap, like, they're not from the shop. In those days, I used to wear my cap forward like this. Mom, buy me a cap. Mom, okay, do you remember that saying? When our parents used to say, okay, some of us are still waiting for what mommy promised us in 1985. Up until now, mom has not bought it. And remind your mom, but mom, you used to do this to us. Right now, you're abroad, and mom says, when are you coming, Manang? Dakura, please, I miss you. Oh, no, we are this year, Manang. You know you're not going there. You're just doing the same thing that your mom said. No, we are this year. You're actually not failing to tell mom, I don't have papers. Mom, papers are not easy. I'm struggling, mama. My papers sweet. Ndikawea dollars are status. Don't lie to. And then mom probably your mom will die. But she probably gets angry now. But this is exactly what she used to do to us. The mummies used to do that to us. But she knows that trade fair is closing on Friday. And she would like, we go on Sunday. They would lie to us. And we are doing the same thing. And guess what? We take that into politics. The kids who were raised that way are now lying even in politics. Okay, Gadzrai road on Friday. And now even campaigning. My bullet trains from here to Belvedere, my bullet trains that and we believe the lies. So we will live our life kunyeberwa. So takanyeberwa tiri grade 2, tikanyeberwa tiri kucreche, tikanyeberwa tiri kusekondary, tikanyeberwa tiri we are now growing old. Nesuwo takutonyeberwa vazukuru vedu tinyeberwa. So this generation of life, one thing I want to tell you is that what I've learned after pandakagara muno UK, these people don't lie. These people, if when they lie, they change color. When they lie, they go red. If you want to see professional liars, Zimbabwe shamara nokunyebera achidya chewing gum, so skin ikadotsvukirira so kuita senga a bleacher. A Zim guy can ask a Zim guy when he's gonna marry you. A Zim guy will promise you marriage, or a Nigerian guy. These people, it's good to teach our children not to be liars like us. Kantaura neshona half yevanhu muino muuk kupinda muuk chakungopinda muuk half or even more, not 70%, pakanyebewa pakanyebewa pakanyebewa. Kantaura neshona bosi ngataura chirungu zvingaipa. Pakanyebewa. Half the people utombo on average muzimba akatombonyeba kana muafrica anatonyeba. I'm coming to the UK, I'm leaving on Friday, I'm going back to Zimbabwe on Friday. Apa wasi watengesa ngoro aona kana imba kumusha watola ndonofira ku UK paudza vanhu paborder. How long are you can stay? 2 months. 2 months. The max I want to come back. I've got my good job in apa wasi wa resign. Never. And we've normalized that. So then I come back, then I'm now, then I should hope well, and I used to live in the UK as well. I used to live in the UK. So the could name so. And most of you guys will be like, you know what, guys? Oh, we don't like a Zim lady. Anyway, a Zim lady, I know it's a fake nail. I was a fake uziso, agoisa fake lip gloss, agoisa zvinhu zvese kuita fake, agoisa vhudzi pamusoro perimwe vhudzi, and then you think she can struggle to make another boy on top of you. Listen, a woman who can put fake nails on top of other nails, vhudzi pamusoro perimwe vhudzi, Brazilian pamusoro perimwe vhudzi, so wig pamusoro perimwe vhudzi, tsiye pamusoro pedzimwe tsiye kudhirowa kudai, agotadza kuchita iwo kuisa another man on top of it. Another man, you think, anyway, mukadzi angatadza another man, kungoteta another man on top of it. Iye achikwanisa kuisa bvudzi zvokuti it looks so real. Nowadays they've got weaves, not only to baby hair panapa, they will call like this a polished baby hair. You'll be like, wow, hairline iri panapa izvo rakapera kuzokuiswa panapa. And that same lady, oh, you look so beautiful, I like your hair, thank you. Yeah, no, it's not my hair, babe. It's not my hair, babe. It's a wig. They don't tell you that. Try to say that to any black. No. Murumbidzas, I like your hair. Datini murumbidzo muti I like your hair. Yeah, she's a weave. I couldn't answer. Oh no, it's not real though. No. Oh, one fall down. But what you're actually doing is you're digging your own grave, because okay, Leon loves beautiful hair, fine, and then he says, Smanga, Smanga, I like your hair. Okay, Leon, can I marry you? Because I love your hair. Okay, Leon. They don't tell you the truth. The baby, when you marry me, I'll show you that the hair is not real. I'll show you that the hair is not real. No. They just hope you won't find out, but you will find out because you'll sleep with them. You'll be sleeping. So they'll polish a picture. You see how I look now. How do I look now? They'll polish a picture. And then everyone will be, oh, Fito, you look so good. Thank you. You look so good. Your pictures look so nice. But oh, sorry guys, I bleached. No, sorry guys. I've put it's an app that I've used. I don't really look like this. I'm fortunate because I look like this, even in person. Sometimes I even look better in person. But I think I'm photogenic. That I can't hide. Don't put up a picture. A picture. If I prepare picture nicely, I prepare picture nicely. Or you think you want a murume pana. Fizo kalezo. Pananda wana murume pana. But no. I look like this in person. I'm just joking. But it's true, guys. So, yes, oh, I like this. I like you look so beautiful. Oh my God. The head doesn't tell you, Fizo. Listen, Fizo, I don't want to lie to you, baby. This belly, there's something. I can't breathe properly because there's something tying my belly inside there. So I need to go to the toilet now because my bladder is tight. What are you wearing? I'm wearing something that makes my belly flat. Oh, really? Oh, no. They don't do that. No. You look so beautiful. Oh, my God. You look so... And sometimes you think, oh, this girl looks so... Oh, my God. You look so... No. The bra is actually nicer better than Zamra. But my one. But you want these guys to marry you, aren't really? Oh, yeah. Husband yangu inoda mazama maombe. So ndakatenga bra yekuti mazama aite senge maombe. And then when you go home and on Kurona, okay, mazama maombe. And then he leaves you tomorrow. This shurukis, some of these people are called shurukis. They're just honest people. Before you call someone a shurugwi, who is a shurugwi here? Okay, guys, I'm selling this. I'm selling this lemon. Oh, I'm selling. Let me find a fruit here. I'm selling a fruit. Okay. Let me find something. Right? And sorry, most of you guys know Kutkunema banana. There are some fruits that look like this, but they are fake, right? Fake bananas that you can put and make your house look really good. You can put them there, but these are real. So, right? If you were to show someone who is hungry a house, and there's a house, guys, there's a house I'm selling it, but you'd forget to tell them that the bananas are fake, and this guy buys that house with the hope of getting bananas. Guys, let's buy that house. I counted the bananas at 24 bananas, so it means that we'll eat the whole week. So guys, let's buy that. And when they come and no, mom, actually, they're not real bananas. What do you think they will do? Okay. A guy is telling you, I like banana, nice body. You know that your body is not nice. You make it. There's a difference. Listen, guys. There's a difference between making your body look nice and your body being nice. All we need here is a reality check. We need a reality check here. What am I trying to say? I'm saying I can make myself, and there will always be mashurubi, no matter what you say. Kumbi, you can be a shurubi. Because kumbika, you know yourself, you look good, kumbi looks good, we know that. But there are some people who try to be kumbi-like. And there's nothing wrong with that. And I believe what you need to do, the person that you need to lie to is the person that you know you will never have in your life. This was an answer of Bangu. If you know you're not going to date Leon ever in your life, lie to him. He's an idiot. Lie to Leon. You can put a rubber band and go. But if you're going to end up with that person, you might as well tell him the truth now. This is the best advice I'm giving you, but I'm giving it to the wrong people, and this advice is so hard to follow, even me myself. But listen, okay, listen. Ndosangana nakumbi, kumboti Leon. Murume wandaive naye anga nekadora. So now ndoda munhu asina kadora. Okay? Ini ndozandina kadora. Then I lied to Kumbi. Ndakasenda. Who is the shurugu here? Okay, if I put a label outside my house, Debenhams, all perfumes in Debenhams, and I'm charging people £2 to enter into my house, thinking it's Debenhams. Huh? Why do you think that when they enter my house and discover that it's not Debenhams, they will stay in my house? Why are you so stupid? Wanyembera mfesi wo. Could you got this, you got that, you got that. Nemo varume, you lie. Oh, rume risinganyenge rinoharara. So I can lie to my girl. You lied to that girl. You told her you were rich. And the girl said, I love you. And the girl married you. Now you're exposing yourself as a poor person. You want the girl to understand that you're a poor person and then settle with a poor person when her ambitions were to be with a rich person. So that's why they cheat on you. The girl is going to cheat on you. The girl, you fooled someone into signing a contract that they didn't want. So they're not going to die in your contract unless they're stupid. So if you have a vision, be honest, honey. But the person we don't click. And if that person goes, hey, money, baby, I've been looking at but I'm actually thinking maybe we can compromise here and I can sacrifice. It's two ways you can compromise and sacrifice. What will never work is anyone who sells sugar telling the customers it's salt. That person will make money only once. He will never make money twice. Never. Never. I'm saying. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. Guys, do it. Simanga ndikakubata unozeka ndoda kunyatsa kupenengura ndichakuti bhaka ndikuti bhaka and ndinokupedzera you're marketing yourself, right? But the fact that you're marketing yourself doesn't mean that Simanga will be close, will be worked the same thing again. This is false silver and I think it's about lemon. And why do you expect Simanga to stay in that marriage when you lie to her? This is exactly, it's not like politics. That politics mentality, okay, guys, I'm going to build the wall. And then you vote him for 4 years. It's different from marriage. You can do it in politics. You can use force in politics, but you can't do it in marriage. Ndakanyembera zvangu ndikati ndakurira borodha but ndakazomudza chokwadi ndogara zvishavani iye kana akazviudza ndoda murume wekuborodha anomutsvaka kuborodha uchasara kuzvishavani kwako. Oh, he's a shurubi. He's not a shurubi. But gani ngakanyorwa okay ndoda mukadzi akadai marketing, you're marketing yourself as urumba fake product. Okay, you want a Gucci. You want a Gucci bag. Oh, now 55 Gucci bags. I've got loads. What color do you want? Pink one. Oh, really? Yeah. £800. It's a discount. The Gucci is 1,400, and you're like, oh, £800. And what do? You run, you go to Turkey, you buy a fake one, and then you come and give this person. Unless that person doesn't know a real one, you can get away with it. So if Leon says, "Ndoda a masters," right? Unless asingazwiti masters, you can get away with it. But if he knows what a master is like, the moment he just discovers in that relationship that he is no longer dealing with Munane masters, attention of fake degree, master. So as soon as that, what do you do if you're going the wrong way, guys? What do you do if you're going the wrong way? You're driving, you're heading that way. Then you see a signpost saying, "Oh no, 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 London is that way." What do? Even though you're on the motorway to Glasgow, you'll go to Glasgow if there's no way, because you can't do a U-turn there, because it's one way. But that will not stop you looking elsewhere for any exit lane. Any exit lane, you'll drive to Glasgow, but you're still looking for the earlier you see an exit lane, if it was Falkirk, you'd rather pretend to go to Falkirk, then turn around and end up on the right. That's what people. This is exactly what happens in relationships. But it happens slowly, sometimes happens so fast. You are marketing yourself. You are very, very far from the real product. And then a guy will be skeptical. But he'll carry on. Oh, guys are good at it. They'll see that you're faking, and they'll still sleep with you. But what they don't do is marry you. And sometimes they don't even dump you. Sometimes they don't dump you. They won't dump you. They'll carry on with you faking. You're telling them, "No, I'm like this." And sometimes you forget. Now that weave is off, you're throwing there. And before you take the weave off, people say I look like my dad. No. Stop it. But people say I look like my dad. When you hear it goes, people say I look like my dad. Hey, weave, I would be so much. So what I would normally do, well, I'm always wearing a cap, isn't it? Because I'm projecting what I want to project here. But surely my partner will see me without the cap several times. The day she's going to come and live with me, she will. Some of you try it. Okay, Zima light, baby. Zima light. Zima light. The Zima and if I to open and no, you don't want the man to see the fake stuff. You think you can hide. Yes, you can do that. But there is only one day he's gonna find out. No. Tell the truth. Sometimes walking slowly in the wrong direction can save you a lot of hassle. Because discovered too far. A lot of you people are running very, very fast in the wrong direction. Oh, this guy wants to marry me. He wants to marry me in December. But he doesn't even know what he's marrying. He wants to marry you because you lied to him and said you've got a house in Nigeria and a house in Lubana and a house in Zimbabwe somewhere. And the guy is marrying you very, very fast, hoping that when he marries you, now he's also a husband of a rich lady. So that marriage can happen in 2 days. And that doesn't stop Smanga Kombi Kuno Imba. You're running too fast in your marriage, which is fraudulent. So, Panadero, when the car is moving really fast, it's moving really fast. When you see the car going downhill, you'll be like, no, this car, no one is going to stop it. This car is not going to stop. Only an accident can stop this car. No, that's a car that's going to stop that one. Trust me, it's going downhill. But as soon as it reaches downhill, when it's needed to go up, it won't. Shamara, we won't be divorcing. Some of these I would say half of the divorces are caused. Well, the number one cause of divorce is marriage. For me, what's the number one cause of divorce? The number one cause of divorce is marriage. People are marrying people they are not supposed to get married. Some of these people that you're marrying, you were supposed to sleep with them once and leave them. Are you going to marry them, hoping things will change? So the man is hoping that the woman will not change. And you as a woman, I hope my man will change. How many of you look at me right now and say, this boy, this money, if I marry that boy, I'll change him? So I guess we get my life. Why am I doing my life right now? It's 1 a.m. Why am I doing that? Because I can't be bothered. I'm not in a hurry. There's no one waiting for me. They'll go, oh, Leon, no. So I'm not doing my life. But if someone there is intending to marry me with the hope that they will change something in me that I don't want to change myself, good luck. Because you will be lucky. I know when I'm going to change. I'm going to change. Of course, really, I'm going to change, yeah. I will change a lot of things. Just having a woman in my house will change a lot of things. But the woman will come and say, no, please don't use the side of the wall. And the to me, I'm not going to answer my shit somewhere. Oh, if you put my shit there, you may find that from next day I got married, you will be seeing that side of my house. No, I don't do that. This was shite. So you marry someone hoping they'll change. Nah, waste of time. So what is a shurugwi? After listening to me for all these hours, what is a shurugwi? A person who discovers that you've been lying to them about certain things when they dump you, or you call them shurugwi. Are you serious? So a lady that fell in love with you thinking you're a billionaire, yeah. If a lady wants to be married to a billionaire, it's her choice. So if you're not a billionaire, don't marry her. Oh, I'll just marry her, then I'll change her. Then a lady dumps you. You call her a shurugwi. Guys, let's be serious. So right now, in your relationship, right now, before I go, right now in your relationship, go and check Nemadzoka partner yako and ask yourself right now, sit down with your partner, baby, papa, babe, is it still the same? Is it still the same case with you? Is it, are you still interested in Mskana Kadero? Oh yeah, oh yeah. So there's no shortcut there. Because listen. I don't know why. Listen. Ukapinda McDonald's uchida burger. Ukaona risimo burger. McDonald's. Does it stop you from loving burgers? Oh, the one I'm seeing a bag and that's all lama chips. But does it mean that you no longer love beggars? This is exactly what you guys do. Some of these guys come to you looking for a woman who doesn't drink. You pretend you don't drink. Then you start drinking when the guy marries you. And you assume that now the guy is okay with it. Ah, he's okay. You see the guy pursuing the girl who doesn't drink while he's married to you. You divorce and you call him a shurugwi. Where's the shurugwi here? Leon. Yarona list Irako. Number 15, Leon, no. Number 15, I can't give you number 15. I don't have number 15. Number 3, Leon, I can't give you number 3. I don't have a number 3. My African machine technology was even coming from Zimbabwe. You go and recruit someone from Zimbabwe right now. They'll tell you, Fidzo, when I come to your house, I'll stay behind that door. Trust me, Fidzo, I will not even go toilet. Fidzo, I will not even go toilet. I'll stay in your sitting room until one day gets right toilet yangu. No. Ndoda kuzokorerera vana vako Fidzo. And this person actually is lying. But because he's really struggling, he actually believes his own lies. That person actually believes that when he comes here, he will stay behind that door and not trouble you whatsoever. He arrives. He may stay 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Don't my shop. Hang on a minute. When you were in Zimbabwe told me that when I bring up to the UK, you're gonna stay behind the door, look at the. When he goes to the shops, he sees a nice girl or nice lady, whatever. Takes their phone number. The slave mentality. Someone is abusing me, hang on a minute. Before you moved to the UK, you told me that you'll stay behind the door. He's already forgotten. No. I didn't expect you to abuse me this way. Fast forward. When that person is coming, never immigration when the police are yeah, you should be paying me more. You brought me in this country to enslave me. When you were eating madoil there, or you were eating madumbe there back home, you were so desperate. You actually believed your own lies. Well, single or not single, some of you, you no longer want to have kids. Some of you, but you are lying to this guy. I'm trying for a baby. Let's try for a baby. But you know that I will not be able to visa. Majimo. Together 2 years, 3 years, he will get used to not having. It's his ambition to have a child. No, 56. I mean, you've seen a lot of guys who are 56, 57 who still want to have children. I've seen them. They don't know, Leon, I can't marry someone in their 40s. Really? No, why? I want to have kids. At 56. Oh, yeah. Interesting, I pay. If someone goes to parcels trying to buy a dress, a green dress, don't get fooled when they buy a red one. And they it's okay, they bought a red one, they no longer care. They wanted a green dress, they just bought a red one. But they all still continue to want what they. So, what are you saying before now I'm going to come? If I go to the shop with the intention of buying this old phone, this actually a phone before that one that I'm using. That's an iPhone 12 Pro. This one is not. This one's XS. So if you go there trying to buy an XS, or no, an iPhone 12, if you want to buy an iPhone 12, and then you end up taking this one, don't ever get fooled that I no longer want the iPhone 12. This is where you get it wrong, guys. The fact that you've managed to fool this guy into marrying you when he sometimes this is what I mean. Sometimes people don't do it the way I do. If you meet a new girl or a new partner, I would fed up and leave. Don't, you will thank me later. If you meet a new lady who tells, hi, but then you go, oh, you know what? Anyway, where do you live? Anyway, would you go and marry me? That person's interest in Varungu will not go. Trust me, you will thank me later. This person's interest. Some of these guys come to you and say, size 10. Size 10 and below. Good luck. Then, 2 weeks later, it's the same guy. He's coming to you, and you know you're not size 10, you're size 16. Oh, baby, can I come to your house? You think he's changed? He's no longer interested in size 10. Is that what you think? Really? No, good luck. You'll thank me later. That guy has not changed anything at all. He's just using you for that moment. If a size 10 come on your wedding day, he will take a number. Yeah. This is what I'm telling you. This guy who is driving a Vauxhall Nova, he also loves the BMW. He also loves the Mercedes. He can't afford, give him a lottery now. And that's by a Vauxhall Nova. He's not going to come to a Vauxhall Nova if he gets money. A lot of these relationships, I'll keep, before I hang up now, before I say bye. A lot of these relationships, I keep saying this every life, they're just a couple of thousands away from divorce. That guy who is married to you, yes, the one you say, that one, he's just a few £1,000, not even 1,000, maybe 800 pounds away from divorcing you. Listen, my kids want to go to Disney, right? But maybe I do show them money 2,000, right? Then I'm like, kids, let's go Disney Paris. Disney Paris will never ever be Disney America, never. I was peeling this banana. I tried to peel it from this end. It's too old, this banana. I tried to peel it, but I peeled it from this end. I peeled it from the other end because but I think this is a good way of peeling a banana because you can actually hold each without making a banana dirty or something. You hold it like that. I can hold the banana. I can hold the stick as well. So I'm holding my banana. That's me. Don't copy me. I'm just showing you. This is what I do, banana. So I've got cheese chocolate butter. Hold it like this. Grip my banana like that. So you will gonna butter banana no fungi. That's me. My kids showed me, oh, you peel a banana like this. Who says? I'm a psychologist. I've given you my reason. I can do, basically, someone who's good in psychology, yeah, can defend himself, even in court. God is fine. I can say 1 + 1 is 11. Why? 1 + 1 is 11. Both Katora 1 comes up plus 1 2 is 11. Why do they have to mirror side by side? Okay, ndikakuti tora mombe mbiri dzinopinda mune imwe here handinodzimisa side by side. Oh, and everyone would end up going, Leon has got a point though. But is 1 + 1 is equal to 11? No. But Leon, what 1 + 1 is equal to 1? Why? But no, 1 + 1 is equal to 1. Ukatora perfume E, yamanga manga E. Ukaitora nemwe perfume E, iri empty. Ukadira, unosara une 1 perfume yakazanganiswa. So 1 + 1 is equal to 1. But Leon has got a point. That's psychology for you. So kana ndikwanisa kuzvidefend nakuti 1 + 1 is equal to 11, ndingazotadza kuzvidefend achihure. No, foni iyi yanga iri foni ndianti vemainini vachida shangu ukachida vipafonderi twafonderi. So now, after eating my banana, this is how it is. See, it's open there. I ain't even actually, I don't have pakaita mukota. See there? There. Nogona kutonanzva ipapa mandingazokusemesa. See? But that's how I eat my banana. From when I was young, I was used to do that. So I peel this end, go there. So I'm still holding to it as it goes down, holding to it. So from there, going down. So I'm still holding there. Up until it gets here, I'm still holding it. So I could even hold one side. Don't copy me. That's how I eat my banana. Thank you so much. So the live started just, this is not a live actually. It wasn't a live. I was just talking, discussing them. Tomorrow I'll have a live. When I do my beard, and I'll come tomorrow at 6 p.m. I'll try to do my live tomorrow at 6 p.m. I'll do my live. This wasn't a live. It wasn't live. If you learned something, you're lucky, but it wasn't meant for that. It was just fun. You go from the beginning, you'll see what we're talking about. And you people, Smanga, why are you not sleeping? What are you doing? Let me see these people out. And you, Maniga Prepon, why are you not sleeping? This Kumbi boy. Or Kumbi, how is USA? Right. This is America, maybe you must cut, we don't know. But he made me an arm sort of Bangwar in the UK. Vocally, answer that delete and just one moment was. Vocally, said, this is not a lie. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. So this, I don't know where the other 8 people are coming. You got, okay, yeah. If you're watching my live, can you do me a favor? Because a lot of you guys follow my lives, but I don't know you. So what you do, you just follow my lives, and I see 50 people. The only people that are close to me are these people these ones are my friends on Facebook. But you guys, you watch my live, you don't even put a like. So when you put a like, now oh, Kumbi Shibu. So a lot of you, sometimes I see people like right now, there's 8 people. They're not 8. They show it's 9 there. But if I go on this group there's maybe 24 more. But none of them are they just watch my live and go, that's not fair. They're just watching my live and they're just watching. They don't join, they don't. Or maybe some of you are my ex. Okay, if you're my ex, bye, hello, how are you? How is life without me? Hello, ex, how is because you guys, like right now, only the people I know is Kumbi, Smanga, and they're very beautiful. These ladies, by the way, Kumbi, Smanga, very beautiful. Prevon, very beautiful. Who else? Only. But they've got 10 people, 10 on this page, and now 30 there. They're just watching me like this. Oh, Fito, you watch your lives, but you don't even. I need you to. If you're watching my live, please comment there. I'll reply before I sleep. I need to comment. I need to reply back. And when I reply to your comment, I want to see if you're my friend. If you're not my friend, I'm going to add you as a friend. So if you are watching this live, so if you are watching my live now, put a comment there. So ndokuziya. So now I know kuti ndiwe. Then I'll comment below your comment asking you why you are not my friend. I know that most of you, some of you are on the other page. I think I've got 20 more days from the. I'm not going to that page. Actually, I will never leave this page anymore. I'm fed up. That page, Zuka is just playing whatever you. I'm going to blog. He just blocks me. I'm not going back to the end Leon. Leave it like that. I'm using my page. I'm enjoying this one. This one is calm. I can do live at 12, and there'll be just a few people, and these people just listen, and only one will come and say "Rara iwe." That's the tender monk. That's "Rara iwe," and then probably same question goes to you. And Smanga with your pink. Smanga, on your lives, your pink is just blowing people away. I always look at Smanga when the comments are coming. Look at the pink. Look at the pink. She's just dominating. I'll wear pink next time too. Look at Smanga's pink. Any live, go even on Tatelisha. When Smanga is watching, you just look like you pink, pink. That's a good color actually. If you go on Saturday Guru, you just see Smanga pink. Look at the pink. Look at how dominating the pink is. Look at the it's pink, 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 pink. So guys, thank you so much. And Kumbichi was just right. Kumbichi Ndaku, yeah, I can do. Huh? Moira Chili Pozongwana is watching. Moira Chili Pozongwana. I don't think Moira Chile is my friend. Comment something there. Urita Ludidi is probably sleeping. Some of these are not Urita, they fall asleep. They watch me and then they fall asleep while I'm talking. Pedzai Saira is watching. Those are the Pedzai ones, they don't comment. Blessing Maruma, they don't comment. Owen Nigaramba and Owen Nigaramba is Atinayo. See, Patricia Stefan is still alive. Jillian. I remember the 2006. So thank you so much, guys. Moses Ndala is sleeping already. Ketina Ania, Ketina and Boyaka once. Go way up here. What should I do? Then Darlington Yamuns, I was watching. Really? Darlington, I've not seen you in ages, man. Let it be. What should not you? Or you know, and go let it be. Thank you so much, guys. Let me go. I need to go to toilet. I need to sleep. Okay? I love you all.